Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a complete blog article by using Scalenut. Scalenut is one of the best AI writer tool I have ever seen on the market. Also, it's one of the most affordable tool on the market in the AI writing section, guys. So if you think you need one AI writer which will be one-on-one solution by which you can generate completely SEO optimized blog article, then you can consider this video. And after watching this video, if you think this tool is suited for you, then you can use their free trial. See, they have 7-day free trial. I'll give the URL of Scalenut in the description of this video. And after using it 7 days by your own, then if you think you need this tool or it will be suited for your need, then you can upgrade to their pro plan basically, which is very affordable. So these are the things. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Scalenut. And to go to the dashboard, you have to log in. At first, just click here my account. Also you can click on this start 7-day free trial and then start your free trial and then log in and go to your dashboard. Whenever you will enter to this Scalenut, then you will get one option like create blog in 5 minutes, which is basically its cruise mode. You have to click on this cruise mode and here you have to enter your targeted keyword. So let's say our targeted keyword is, let's say, best luxury. And see, whenever you will enter your keyword, they will suggest you related keywords also. So let's say I'll write like best luxury watches for men. Let's say this is my keyword. You can also include here secondary keyword, but I'm not including. But in your case, if you want, you can include here. And then you have to select your target country. Let's say in our case it's United States, and then just click here start. And now see, they're creating the SEO report. So on Scalenut, you will not get only the AI writer, you will get the complete SEO solution also. If you use other AI writer, they will not provide you the SEO solution, but here is the potentiality of Scalenut, because they are providing you the complete SEO solution with AI writing solution. So these are the things, and within this time, see, they're saying that tell us the topic you want to write about. Now let's say I will write here like something. Let's say this is my topic description, and then based on this description, see here also prioritize key terms. You can prioritize key term from here. You can also add additional keyword from here. And then what you have to do, you have to generate the title. So just click here create title, and then it will suggest you the title. See, the 5 best luxury watches for men, the top 10 luxury watches for men and that are under $10,000, the most expensive watches in the world, what are they and who can afford them. So in this way you can see the titles. You can generate more titles from here. Just click here generate more, and then more titles will be generated. You can rephrase these titles also from here. Let's say you want to rephrase this one, so just click here rephrase, and then this title will be rephrased. Just wait some time and then let's see the result. See guys, here is the rephrased version for men, the top 10 luxury watches. So from here you can rephrase, but let's say I will use this one. Let's say here, see the best, the 10 best luxury watches for men. I like this one, so I'll just click here and then it will enter here. And see, this is the blog title, and then I'll just click here on this create outline. So after creating the title, what you have to do, you have to create the outline, right? So if I just click here create outline, then here see, they will suggest you the outline, and these outlines are depending on your competitors outline. See here, the keyword that I have inputted here, for this keyword, these websites are already ranked for this blog article. So it will extract all the blog articles who have been ranked on the first page of Google, and you can see your competitors outline here. And by seeing this competitors outline, you can get idea about your outline. I hope you get idea. You can now enter your headings here, and then it will be added. Also, let's say you want to add this one. Let's say you want to add this outline, best overall luxury watch, and then you want to add best affordable luxury watch, best diamond luxury watch, best gold luxury watch. Whenever you will click here, it will basically just will be added in the outline section. I hope you get idea. And here, let's say I will add something more just for to show you basically. So let's say I will add this 10 points here. See here best overall luxury watch, best affordable luxury watch, best diamond luxury watch, best gold luxury watch, best minimalist luxury watch, best luxury dive watch, best rectangular luxury watch, best luxury sports watch, best Swiss luxury watch, best designer luxury watch. So let's say these are my outline, and then I want to add something more. Let's say from here I want to add this one, what to look for a men's luxury watch, and then let's say I will add these things here. Let's say function, budget, feature, similar article, not similar article, because let's say I do not want to add similar article. Let's say these are the things, and from here, let's say from this competitor you can add a lot of things. Let's say you want to add one mm, outline by your own, so it's also possible. Let's say here is the list of top 10 luxury watches, and here if you click on this AI suggestion, then a lot of AI suggestion you will get depending on this mm, uh, outline. Basically, see what is luxury watch, then type of luxury watches, then the top 10 best luxury watches for men, how to buy a luxury watch, then FAQs about luxury watches, and at last is conclusion. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And at first you want to add introduction, let's say. So I will just click here introduction, and then if I click here, okay, not introduction, let's see introduction about luxury watches, and then if I just click here AI suggestion, then it will be added here. But here they will also give you some AI suggestion, but let's say I want to keep this introduction at the top of the blog. So what I have to do, I can drag and drop everything from here. See, it's drag in and drop, just you have to just drag and drop it, and then it's possible here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now you have to add some question also here. It's very important. See, they have question option. Now if I go to this question section, see here are the AI generated question about the blog, and here are the questions extracted from Google, here are the questions extracted from Reddit, also from Quora. Now let's say you want to add the questions here. Let's say I will just click here add h3, and then I will add the questions add as h3. So I'll just click here, and then they will be added here. I hope they will be added here. Just let me click. Let's say what is a good starter luxury watch. If I click here, see this is question 2, and then here let's say I will add who is the number one watch brand in the world, and what is the best luxury watches investment, and then what is a good starter luxury watch, what is the number okay, I have added these things. And let's say I will add this Quora question also here, what is the most beautiful luxury watch that I have added. So in this way you have to add your outline basically from here. You can add all this question here. Let me add some question and let me design my outline, guys, and then I'll come back again. So as I have generated the outline here, and see this is my outline. Let's say in your case you have to do it by your own, and you have to decide what you want to include on your blog, what you do not want to include, and you can get inspiration from your competitors blog articles from here basically. I hope you get idea. And after writing the outline, now you have to just click here generate writing points. So if I just click here generate writing points, then let's see. See guys, it has generated automatically the writing points here. For every section they have generated some writing points, and I haven't done anything here. They have generated these things by their own basically. I hope you get idea. See here they have generated some writing point. But if you want to add your own writing point, it's also possible. Just click here on this section add writing point here, and then you can add your own writing point. Also it will suggest you some another writing points by using their artificial intelligence. I hope you get idea, but I'm not adding any new writing point because here have a lots of writing points. See a lots of writing points that are available. But if you want to delete any writing points from here, you can delete also. Now I will just click here on this generate content, and then just see the magic. It will generate the complete content for you. Just wait some time, guys, and then let's see how much time it takes. So it's done, guys. See here, you can see all the writings that and they have written here by using their artificial intelligence, and here you can see how many words they have written here. You can also regenerate it, and see they have option to regenerate. If you just click here, then it will be regenerated. I hope you get idea, guys. Now if I just click here on this preview, and then you will see the preview of your content here. See, this is the preview. See, this is the preview, guys. This is the complete preview, and here you can see the content grade suggestion, and it's a grade, and word count, suggested word count is 4200 to 4400, and here they have written 5300 words almost. So these are the things. You can download the draft file from here as PDF, HTML, and Word doc, and you can export it to their editor. So I'll export it to their editor because you have to do SEO also. See, this is the SEO dashboard or their editor. You can now here delete any writing from here. You can add some writings here. Also, they have a lot of feature. Let's say you want to rephrase it. You can rephrase it. Let's say I want to rephrase this title. So I'll just click here, rephrase, and then it will rephrase the title basically. See here, introduction about luxury watches. This was my original text, and my rephrased text is luxury watches provides an introduction to market. So I think it's not a good rephrase basically. Let's say I want to rephrase this one, so I'll just click here again, and then let's see the quality of its rephrase. Just wait some time, guys. See, guys, here original text was best overall luxury watch, Vacheron Constant Overseas Tourbillon, and here they have written it. You can change it also. Let's say best let's say best value luxury watch, and then you can replace the title basically. And here let's say I will format it. See here have the format. You can make it H2, H3, you can bold it, italic it. So in this way you can now edit the text basically. I hope you get idea. And here you will be able to see the content brief also. See here have the complete SEO solution for you. Here have key terms, that means which key terms you need to use here. See here blue color means it's okay. That means you do not have to do anything with that anymore. But here if you see the yellow color, that means you need to add it some more time basically. I hope you get idea. Here if you see it red color, then you have used it more than you need, so you need to reduce it. So in this way you have to optimize your content, and if you use Scalenut, then you do not have to use other content optimization tool like Neuron Writer or like Surface SEO. This type of content optimization tool you do not have to use on also here basically. I hope you get idea. And here you can see your competitors. You can see your questions. See, these are the questions that people ask about this topic basically, or this blog. And they have the complete writing solution here, guys. I'll create another video about the writing solution. See, lots of writing solution that are available. Write, instruct, connectors, there have sharp ideas, cruise mode. So you can use these things, but in this video I do not want to cover it. But see how much content you can generate within this time. And it took maybe less than 10 minutes, as I have said a lot of things. I have said a lot of discussion here. I have had, that's why it takes some more time. But in your case, whenever you will do it with your complete focus, then it will not take more than 10 minutes, I think. And then to edit or to customize all the things, it will take maybe 20 minutes. So overall in 30 minutes you can generate a complete blog article which will be completely SEO optimized. So if you think as you need this type of tool, then you can get this Scalenut. And see, this is the pricing plan of Scalenut. They have 7-day free trial. I'll give the URL of Scalenut in the description of this video. Just use their 7-day free trial, and then use it, and then decide it whether it is good fitted for you. If you like it, then you can upgrade after 7 days, and otherwise you do not have to upgrade. Now before ending this video, I want to show you another thing, guys. If I want to check the plagiarism of this blog, that means how unique this blog article is. and that's why I have used here WriterGen. Personally, I use WriterGen, and see here is the um, result, guys, and they have detected here 3% plagiarism. Now, why this plagiarism detected, I want to explain you. See here, they have detected best affordable luxury watch, Void watches, VO3D Go, and this type of um, plagiarism they have detected here. Why? Because when I have created the outline to make the video shorter, I have used my competitor's outline. That's why I copied my competitor's outline, and these outlines are only here plagiarized, but other things that has been written by Scalenut, then these things are not plagiarized, guys. So just try to understand, guys. See here, only the titles are plagiarized, and it's only because of me, because I have copied the titles or outline from my competitor's website. That's why they are plagiarized, but these things that has been written on Scalenut, they are not plagiarized, and that's why overall 3% plagiarism I'm getting. But all this plagiarism are because of my fault. I used my competitor's outline here basically. So this is the thing that I want to clarify you, and I think the content is 100% plagiarism free, because this 3% plagiarism is because of my fault. I have used my competitors outline here. That's why. I hope you get idea, guys, about the content quality of Scalenut. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and this is one of the best AI writing tool I ever used. So I will recommend you to use this AI writer basically. I hope you get idea, guys, and thank you so much again. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video.